2007 Acura TL Type S. We got something crazy done on this one, guys. He wanted it as loud as possible, but we kept the factory converters on it, there and there. It is ran 1.5-inch pipe all the way in the middle. Kept his original intermediate pipe because he had this done somewhere else. So we kept his original Y pipe setup there, and that's a muffler delete that was done somewhere else, into quad carbon fiber tips out the back. So we ran 1.5 in the middle to make it loud, like a trumpet kind of. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, 2007 Acura TL Type S, 1.5-inch pipe. He wanted loud and raspy. Oh yeah, it's definitely louder. Your sound levels. 150. This was the pipe. That was the pipe that was on it before, guys, that we took off. It was 2.25. And replaced it. Much better. All right, go ahead and back it up. Acura TL Type S. Got nice lowered, got nice wheels on it. It's lowered a little bit. That's a sexy stance on it. Much better. Oh yeah. Dude, it sounds like a freaking lion roaring, you know? Roar. Let you guys hear on that side. '07 Acura TL Type S, 1.5-inch pipe all the way back. That's the owner revving it, guys, by the way. He wanted it as loud as possible without eliminating cats. It's the only way to do it.
We got a 2007 Acura TL Type S, brought in a pseudo system, bolt on, all up there, cats back here, resonator, single, and a Wise out in these two mufflers. From up the back, dual tips, looks real good with the red and the blue. Yeah, we'll let you guys hear it. Like, comment, and...
That's not bad.
Hit 97 a second ago. All right, go ahead and back it out.
That's not bad.
Let you guys hear it on the inside.
That's perfect pipe S. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. Full kit with high flow cat. Again, rev it hard. Yeah, that sounds good. You know, once the mufflers break in a little bit more, it gets a little bit louder. It'll be about 30%. But if you want it louder, we can chop the resonator off too. So drive it for a week or so, see how you like it. If you want it louder, we can always make it louder. full system with high flow cat. Yeah, yeah. Got a 2007 Acura TL, 3.7 liter V6. So still got factory converter up there, second converter there, and then a high flow converter there. And then he brought his own vibrate quiet flow. Part number right there, 1141. There'll be a link in the description for it. Right there. Then we ran 2.5-inch system all the way back because he's going to turbocharge it, and did a custom Y pipe for him right there in the middle, as you guys can see, to clean it up. It looks a lot better than the ones that they sell, so we make them custom. Then 2.5-inch out the back on each side, and then some custom tips, also blue flame right there, 4-inch on this side, staggered. There'll be a link in the description for him. We'll take that little box out for the lining up. And there she is. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And this is the old system that was on it. As you guys can see, it's all rusted out. This car is all the way from New Jersey. Had a Dynamax bullet on it and the 2 mufflers there. We took all that off and cleaned it up for him. We appreciate him coming down to us. And like always, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Oh, that sounds so good. Even with the vibrant, it's got a vibrant quiet flow on it. It's still loud. So neat, man. That sounds distinctive, though. I have there's that pop. Yeah, that sounds really nice. Sound decibels again. 117. Wow. Oh, I love that pump. That sounds so good. Again? Do you approve?
Definitely worth the money.
Thumbs
Definitely
up?
worth it.
Thumbs up. Yes, sir. I think he likes it too much. He doesn't want to back it up. Just keep them clean. Always wipe them down, you know. Man, that pump is awesome. I love it. Does it have a tune? It's got a tune, yeah, I can tell. What's the name of the tune, do you know? Is it a custom guy?
Custom guy.
Yeah. Again? I love that, dude. You need to do something for me. Let you guys hear on the inside. You're a TL, quiet flow in the middle, 2.5-inch system, straight piped all the way back after that, high flow cat, and quads blue flame to complete the look. Perfect. Oh, that sounds so good. I like it. Be smoke. Enjoy, guys.